Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to change your voice in a Snapchat video. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now I'm going to open up the Snapchat app here, and to change your voice, all you're going to want to do is tap on the little smiley face at the bottom right here, and then it will bring up all of these different filters and effects. We're going to tap Explore at the very bottom right here, and now at the very top, we'll hit search and we'll type in voice changer. So this will give us a bunch of different options in terms of being able to change our voice. You can scroll down and use any one of these and test out which ones you like. Let's use these, the baby voice changer. So now I can test this out and see how I sound after this. Let me turn the volume on. And after this, test this out and see how I sound after this. Press this so, and then I can hit send at the bottom right here if I like how that changed my voice. And then I can always just go back and re-record anything with a different voice change or filter on there. If I want a different one, and I'll try out a bunch of them and see which voice I like the best. Hope this helps. Thanks for your time today, and I'll see you on the next one.